In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the green dot on Instagram. That little green dot shows your friends and followers when you're active or when you were last seen on the app. If you prefer a bit more privacy or you just don't want people to know when you're online, you can turn this off in your settings. I'll walk you through the process step by step and you can follow along on your own device. First, open Instagram and make sure you're on your main home screen where you see your feed of posts and stories across the top. This is your Instagram home dashboard. If you've just opened the app, you should land there automatically. If not, simply tap the home icon at the bottom to return to that main screen. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen for the option labeled More. Go ahead and tap on that. This opens up an additional menu with different options related to your profile and account. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all of the controls for your account, privacy, and notifications. We're going to use the search feature inside settings to quickly find the option we need, instead of scrolling through everything manually. At the top of the settings page, you'll see a search bar. Tap inside that bar and type the word activity. As you type, Instagram will suggest different settings related to that word. This is a handy way to jump directly to the right place, especially as the app interface changes over time. In the search results, look for Show Activity Status and tap on it. This is the specific setting that controls the green dot and your last active information. When you open it, you'll see a short explanation telling you that this allows accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or currently active on Instagram apps. On this screen, you'll see a toggle switch next to Show Activity Status. If the toggle is currently blue or highlighted, that means it's turned on. To hide the green dot and stop sharing your activity status, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. It should change to a neutral or gray color, indicating it's disabled. Once that toggle is off, your green dot and last active time will no longer be visible to others. Just remember, when you turn this off, you also won't be able to see other people's activity status either.